What is up, guys? I'm back doing another quick video here. This time about Earnhub. I'm super excited about the launch that's coming tomorrow, just because we had so much momentum. Ultimately, I wanted to see, that same momentum keep driving, right? Here on their page, you can see on the Dow vote, looks like everyone went with a slower release, more at start, and then throughout the release after the launch, per day you'll get a certain amount that'll be unlocked. Ultimately, there's only about 28 minutes left, so it looks like 53% of the vote is going to go to that. Um, uh, with the developer AMA. They were answering a couple of questions to the upgraded holders. Really, over here is kind of, if you focus on this part, by taking tokens out. As they are released, you are free to do with them as you will. Obviously, you'll have just the regular tax as it goes down if you decide to sell them after. I'm going to personally hold because I'm all about this statement right here. Passive income is the outcome. So the more Earnhub I get, the better it is. I'm going to use the AnyFlect to really continue to up my bag on Earnhub. Also, by leaving them alone, you are maximizing your upgrade token potential in terms of building up an Earnhub bag. So, yeah, guys, I mean, ultimately, I'm just excited that tomorrow the launch is happening. I believe it's at 8 p.m. I'll have to get clarification on that. But, yeah, man, guys, definitely, I think, again, not financial advice. This is definitely just my opinion. Do not take my opinion at all. If you feel like you want to invest on Earnhub, great. I'm just sharing my journey with it because I do believe in a couple of new DeFi projects that are going to be impactful and going to make some changes within the landscape. So I'm just updating, when I see that there's something that's happening in regards to at least the coins that I follow, and then also the ones that you guys want to hear about. So this one, again, is just an update on Earnhub and what's going on there. Another thing I saw on Reddit was that it says upgraders with less than 52 million tokens will start with 50% release instead of 10%. Most people are going to be getting the 10%, so this is good for those smaller bag holders if they want, to do something with their bag. At least 50% will be released, and upgraders with 52 to 104 million tokens will start with 25% instead of 10. Penalties and unlock rates remain the same. This will benefit small holders and allow them to earn staking rewards and use AnyFlect without worrying so much about gas fees. We've done the math, and 1/3 of upgraders will be directly benefiting by this, while not affecting the project finances or future negatively. This being the case, we are happy with this change. So I think this is cool. I don't have any problem with them doing this. Again, I'm not selling my bag. I'm going to continue to add to it if I can, when I can, because again, if we look back, like I said, passive income is the outcome. For me, it's all about passive income, and I'm a big fan of that. And some of these coins hopefully will do the same for some of the people that have invested in it. So again, not financial advice, just my opinion. So do not take my advice. With that being said, guys, that's my quick Earnhub update. There's still so much potential. I really do think that, although initially we may come down from some people selling, I do think that the door is wide open for the opportunity with Earnhub, with what they have on their roadmap and how much of it is already going to, start off with the launch on the 16th. So check it out, guys. If you guys do want to take a look at Earnhub, on their Twitter, they're super communicative with the community, and obviously they get some of these things out when it comes to the DAO votes. Whenever they, you interact with them, they really listen to the community. So thanks again for watching the update, and then definitely like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know if there's a coin you want me to follow, or if you want me to review it. I'd be more than happy to do so. Just to give you guys at least my perspective on it. Doesn't mean that I'm gonna like or dislike it. Just gonna give you my perspective. All right, guys, have a good one.